हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आपका स्वागत है आपका प्यार सा चैनल नौकरी अलर्ट पर। जैसे कि आज हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे इंडियन इकोनॉमिक्स के इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन जो पहले एग्जाम्स में आ चुके हैं और वो हमेशा रिपीट होते हैं नेक्स्ट एग्जाम में। इस सेट में हम दो पार्ट में डिस्कस करेंगे जिसमें आपका 100 क्वेश्चन होगा। तो चलिए पहला पार्ट स्टार्ट करते हैं। 1. Where is the headquarter of Coconut Development Board located? Answer is Kochi. How much area has to be coated with neem by the domestic fertilizer farms? Answer is 75. Which was the only fertilizer to be subsidized till 1997? Answer is Postas. When does the budget is presented in the Indian Parliament? Answer is 1 February. Which of the following area are not directly impacted by agriculture growth? Answer is balance of payment. Which is the largest item of the expenditure percent-wise in the Union Government 2020-21? State shares of tax and duties. Which activity is the highest post-harvest losses? Answer is horticulture. Who is the chairman of Niti Aayog? Answer is Prime Minister. Who gave final approval to 5-year plan? Answer is National Development Council. Which of the following belongs to Rabi crop? Answer is mustard. Which of the following is not a bio input? Answer is urea. Which of the following is the limitation of the socialist economic system? Answer is high taxes. A proclamation of the financial emergency must be approved by both the House of the Parliament within how many months for the date of its issue? Answer is 3 months. Who among the following present the first budget of independent India? Answer is R.K. Sunumukham Shetty. Where did the first mega aqua food park was set up? Answer is Andhra Pradesh. Who is the current MD of World Bank? Answer is Ansula Khan. Over which of the following river is the Pochapad irrigation project located? Answer is Godavari. Which is a apex institution in the field of agriculture credit? Answer is NABARD. The Indian economy can be most appropriately described as mixed economy. The removal of prohibition and hindrance by the government is called liberalization. Arthashastra by Kautilya is related with political region. Which of the following is not the infrastructure sector? Food production. The term mixed economic denotes existence of both private and public sector. Which of the following sector contribute more of the saving in India? Answer is household sector. If the price of an inferior good falls, its demand rises. Who determine the price in a capitalist market? Answer is demand and supply. Which of the following are consumer semi-durable good? Answer is food grain and other food product. The term microeconomic and macroeconomic were coined by Rager Fritz, who coined the phase strategy of the commerce. Garrett Hardin. An economy is a take-off stage on its part to the development when it is liberalized. In which year the new economic policy was announced in India? Answer is 1991. Which among the following comes secondary sector of Indian economy? Answer is sugar industry. Which sector is characterized by small and scattered units which are largely outside the control of government? Answer is unorganized. Who decide bank rate in India? Answer is Reserve Bank of India. Which among the following comes under secondary sector of Indian economy? Answer is transport of good. Who published the Economic Survey of India? Answer is Ministry of Finance. Rupee note bears the signature of whom? Finance Secretary of India. Which 5-year plan reorganized human development as the core of all industry effort? 5-year plan. How many public sector banks are there in India? Answer is 21. Which among the following comes primary sector of Indian economy? Answer is dairy. Which of the following is not method of estimating national income? Answer is matrix method. Which of the following tax is levied only by state government? Answer is entertainment tax. The operational period of 12th 5-year plan is 2012 to 2017. Which is an octroi? Answer is tax. What is minimum base rate fixed by RBI? Answer is 4.0. तो आज के वीडियो में बस इतना ही। अगर आप नए हो तो प्लीज़ इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करिए ताकि हम आगे इसी तरह के इंपॉर्टेंट वीडियोस आपको प्रोवाइड करते रहें। थैंक यू।